This is called an apple or a tulip twist, depending on how you're going to do it. It's real simple. You take your inflated balloon and then you take your finger, put it on top of the knot in the nozzle, and push it down inside the balloon till you get to about your second knuckle. Then once you've got in there, reach through with your other hand, reaching through the balloon, grabbing hold of the knot from the outside. So now that you can see how that's pulled in, I have the knot captured with my hand there. Now I'm going to take this and twist it 3 or 4 times, making sure that I'm still holding the knot, and the knot is now on this side of the balloon, not over here, so that when I let go, it captures it like that. And you've got a little apple twist there. Now the other option that you can do with this, you take a balloon and inflate it just a little bit, and this is where it gets the other name tulip twist. Put about 1 inch or 2 of air in a balloon. Again, put your finger on top of the knot, and this time what you want to do is you push your finger all the way down until you can grab the knot through this uninflated portion here. So push the knot all the way up into that, grab it, and then twist it. So now the knot, as you can see, is right there. Now once you've got it twisted, then you're going to take and push the knot back up inside, rolling it back the other way just a little bit. Sort of straighten it up and get it centered there a little bit. And it produces a little, like a tulip bulb. And by rolling the knot back up into the midway point here, now the balloon is locking it in place and it's going to stay on there. So you have the apple and or tulip twist.